So, it's been a long day for Jeremy and I, but it's not been a day for us to really vlog with you. I was working most of the day for my job remotely, and then we also were just trying to get our electricity set up and get everything ready because we are moving into our apartment tomorrow. So we will show you, we'll bring you along with that. We'll show you what it looks like when we get in. But tonight, while we're still in this hotel, let's see if we can see any fireworks. In about a half an hour, Jingle Bell Jingle Bam should be starting at Hollywood Studios. And then at 9, we've got illuminations over Epcot. So I imagine we will probably be able to see something. I don't know exactly what, but we'll find out. Well, that's Jingle Bell Jingle Bam, but wouldn't you know there's a electricity pole right in the way. Still pretty though. You know, I would really just prefer to be in our own apartment by now, but hey, Disney fireworks from our hotel room? I like it. One of the things I'm really excited about is that over the last few weeks, Jeremy and I have been putting together the formation of a podcast that we're going to be starting. And hopefully we'll record the first episode in the next week. We're still kind of working out all the details. It doesn't have an official title yet, but it's basically going to be about what life is like here in Florida and what our move has been like. So look for that soon. Well, the Epcot fireworks are much lower to the ground. Oh, those ones you can almost see. Yeah, those are pretty good. Carly's all curled up in the blanket Mama Margie gave her. Yeah. Good morning! Oh no, I was just gonna show you guys. We've been watching Sesame Street. There's the new version, and there's a really good segment about Cookie Monster, and he was the biscotti kid, and Sensei was teaching him about biscotti karate. But, oh, it's over, so.
Snack on, snack off.
Snack on, snack off. It's very cute. Anyway, yes, we are two adults watching Sesame Street with our morning. That's how things are going here. I am very excited because we are about to go sign our lease and we're gonna get into our apartment. So let's go do this. Guess what? We just got the key to our apartment. Jeremy's inside. Let's go take a look. Hey, look! It's our kitchen and our little dining room and our dog who's not sure what's going on. Has a nice big bathroom with a pretty cool sink, a nice deep tub. This is a selling factor. Jeremy likes taking baths. Fun fact. He's gonna like this bathtub. It is a cool story. Good sized walk-in closet. Does not seem to have a light in here, but that's okay. We'll use the light in our hearts to find our way through our clothes.
And the bathroom.
Yes. And this is the bedroom. Decent sized bedroom. It'll fit our stuff in here. So one of the things we really liked about this apartment is that it has a little solarium here. So it's got a little bit more space. Just with finances and everything, we ended up getting a 1-bedroom. We didn't want to get ourselves into something we couldn't afford here long term. So as a 1-bedroom, it's over 800 square feet, which is, you know, our last house was a 3-bedroom and it was around 1,000 square feet. So it's really, you know, we're losing a couple bedrooms, but we're really not losing that much space. So that's why we went with this place. Plus it's nice. It's a nice apartment. The other thing I really liked about it is this backsplash. I like it a lot. Our house was built in the 50s and we loved it. It was an adorable, adorable, cute retro house. But unfortunately, it had a very small kitchen with not a lot of space to put all of our kitchen stuff. Luckily, we've downsized a lot, so we have plenty of room for our much smaller amount of stuff now.
Washer and dryer again.
Yay! Get valet trash, which is a thing we didn't even know existed until we got here. A little coat closet. Overall, I'm very excited. Not only am I just so relieved that we finally have a place to call our own here in Orlando, but it's very nice. It's a nice place. It has a nice community, has some pretty cool amenities. You know, you got your pool, it's got a cool yoga studio, so a dog park. So yeah, we're very excited. So anyway, thanks for coming along with us. Thanks for seeing our new apartment with us. I gotta go to work now, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.